Namaskar. A very good afternoon. I'm Sarita from Bhavrav Devaras Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today we are going to study the lesson from the Diary of Anne Frank. This lesson is the main course book, first flight book. It is taken from there. So let's start with this lesson. Let's have a preview of the lesson first. Basically, it's our pre-reading text. Introduction of the lesson. About the author. Author of this lesson from the Diary of Anne Frank is Anne Frank. Actually, this lesson is an extract from the novel From the Diary of a Young Girl. And this diary was published by her father, by the father of Anne Frank. And Anne Frank, when she was in her teenage, she got a gift from her father. Her father gifted her a diary and she named her Kitty. And she started writing her daily accounts in this diary. She named this diary Kitty and she considered Kitty as her best friend. And she shared each and everything in this diary. And this diary, she wrote everything of her life till she was alive. And all those things were listed in this diary. So, but after her death, her father got it published, and this diary became the best seller of that year when it was published. So let's know about her a little bit. Anne Frank, she was born on 12th June 1929 in Frankfurt, Germany. And if we talk about her death, there is no surety of the date of her death. Actually, she was died around, it was the February or March of 1945 when she was 16 years old. And she was died in the concentration camp of Germany. Actually, concentration camp is what? This concentration camp in Germany during Second World War, it was very common. In Germany, when this Nazi Hitler, he came in power, he started torturing people other than German community. And she belongs to Dutch community, and her community people were also tortured. And they all were staying secretly in the annex of in the office library of her father. But anyhow, when they were shifting to their home country, they were caught and they were brought to the concentration camp. And there, her mother, her father, her sister were also there. But her mother and her sister died first, and then this girl died. Anne Frank died. And his father, Mr. Otto Frank, was the only one survivor of her family. So now, that's why there is no surety about the death of this girl, Anne Frank. See, now let's have a little bit more detail about her. Anneliese Marie Frank, she was a German-born Jewish diarist. Diarist means she used to write diary, and this is the only diary she wrote, and it became the best seller of the year when it was published by the name of The Diary of a Young Girl. She gained fame posthumously with the publication of The Diary of a Young Girl. Actually, she was died, and after her death, she gained that popularity as the famous diarist. And the diary was published in the form of a novel, and the novel was The Diary from the Diary of a Young Girl. And you know, her family had moved to Amsterdam after the German occupation of Netherlands. Her family was shifted there, and she was born in Frankfurt, Germany. Now let's have the preview of the lesson. She wrote in her diary, which was gifted to her by her father on her 13th birthday in 1942. Actually, when Anne Frank was celebrating her 13th birthday on 1942, she got a gift from her father. And that gift was a diary, and she started writing diary, and she was giving detailed accounts of her day-to-day life in that diary. So it describes the events of her life in details. Actually, this diary contains each and everything of her life when she started after she started writing the diary. Due to persecution of the Jewish by Nazi, her family had to go into hiding in 1942. Actually, Nazi, the Hitler, when he came in power, because of his tyrant ruling, his brutal and cruel rules, regulations, because of those, her family and his Anne Frank's family have to hide in 1942, and they were hiding in annex of her father's office. Actually, annex is the was the what was it? It was the secret room. It was the secret room of her father's office library. The last entry in the diary was made on 1st August 1944. It means on her birthday, 13th birthday, June 12th June was her birthday. So June 1942, she got this diary and she started writing it. And on 1st August 1944, she made the last entry of her diary. The family was betrayed in 1944 and was sent to concentration camps. Actually, somebody betrayed, somebody cheated their family, and anyhow, the German government came to know about their hiding. And when they were going somewhere just to escape, they were trying to escape. So they were taken to the camp, this concentration camp. And Annie, she was died of typhus in camp soon after her sister Margot Frank's death. Actually, Anne Frank, she died in a concentration camp, but she was died of a disease, a problem, that was typhus. Actually, typhus is a disease which is generally caused due to the insanitary conditions, in hygienic situation when somebody lives in. Her father was the sole survivor of the Holocaust. Actually, this whole situation, whole scenario was very painful for the family of Anne Frank, but her father was the only survivor who could survive after it. When the war had ended, he found that Anne's diary had been saved, and when the situation was about to getting normal, then her father, he got her diary. He knew it very well that she used to write diary, and when he loved her daughter so much, and when he was about to know that his daughter's diary is still safe, then he started looking into the diary. He started reading the diary so that he can have an insight into her daughter's thoughts, opinion, and feelings and emotions. And he was really so lovable father. He loved his daughter so much. That's why he was keeping safely her diary. He was convinced that it was unique record, so he had it published in English order under the title Anne Frank's diary. Actually, initially it was published in Dutch language, but afterwards it was get translated into many languages. And her father get it published in the English language by the name Anne Frank's diary. It was translated from Dutch language into many languages and became the most widely read book throughout the world. And when this book was published for the first time, it became the most popular book of the year. It became the bestseller of the year. It has been described as the work of an insightful and mature mind. Actually, this girl, Anne Frank, she was a teenager. But when we read her diary, when we read the things, it doesn't seem that she is a teenager girl. Actually, she writes so well. She's talking about the topics in a very mature way. It seems that some mature person have written that diary. So now let's have a look about the characters of this diary. Anne Frank. As we know, Anne Frank, she is the author of this diary. She was a teenager girl. She was a Jewish born German. She's a Jewish. She was a Dutch woman of German Jewish origin. and she's the youngest child of Mr. and Mrs. Frank, and she was the youngest daughter of her family. As the diary is her property and prized possession. Actually, diary is the only thing that Anne Frank had with her. She kept it as so precious kind of thing for her. The readers remain in her head throughout the length of the lesson. And when we read this novel, this story, we realize it. We can't stop reading it. Just continuously we want to read it at a stretch because it gives so much, so vivid description of each and everything as a teenager. Though she was a teenager, but she was writing like a mature writer. It was her first experience of writing diary, but she was writing like a very skillful, experienced writer. Margot Frank. Margot Frank was the elder sister of this girl, Anne Frank. She is 16 years old when Anne Frank's diary. Margot Frank. She is Anne Frank's sister. She was 16 years old when Anne Frank started writing diary. She was very quiet, though Anne Frank was very talkative, but she was very quiet, studious, humble, and eager to please the adults. Actually, she know how to please the elders. Being very quiet and calm, she speak very less, and she was very studious. But on the other hand, if we compare her character with Anne Frank was really quite talkative girl. She was kiddish, but she was quite mentally mature girl, more than of her age. Margaret often clashes with her sister, who is considered talkative. Actually, it is very common kind of thing. If we have sisters, if we have brothers, if we have brother and sister, so we generally have a little kind of we quarrel for the petty things. It's very common. It's a part and parcel of our life. In our families, it also happens. The same was having with Anne Frank and Margot. Actually, if I say like Anne Frank, she was very quite normal girl, just like an ordinary teenager. But her thinking process, her thought process, her level of thinking was quite mature, and she was much mature than of her actual age. Though she was 13 years old, but her thinking was just like a mature person, just like a skillful writer. Mrs. Frank. She is the mother of Anne Frank and Margot Frank, and she comes from a wealthy family and has spent most of her time in Germany. Actually, Mrs. Frank, she was the mother of Anne Frank and her sister Margot Frank, and she belongs to a very wealthy family, and they were staying in Germany since long time. Mr. Otto Frank. Mr. Otto Frank, he is the father of Anne Frank. He comes from a wealthy family. Actually, he also belongs to a wealthy family and spent most of his time of life in Germany when Hitler rose to power in 1933. In 1933, when this Nazi, he came in power, he came in the ruling, in government, then even then they were staying in Germany. Oh, here is the character which we will see in this portion of the lesson. Actually, this lesson, as I have told you earlier, this lesson is an extract. It's an extract from the novel A Diary of a Young Girl. And this portion which we are going through, in this portion we have these characters. Mr. Kissing. Mr. Kissing, he was Anne Frank's maths teacher. And he was a very strict teacher. He didn't like that Anne Frank talk in the class, because Anne Frank was quite talkative girl, and he didn't like it, and he wants her to do good and much better in maths. And he wanted her to be focused, so he was a little bit strict with her. And in this lesson we will see that he punished her also. He punished her not once, not twice. He punished her 3 times just for talking too much in the class. So here the session 1 pre-reading of the text is ended here. So now we will meet in the next session with the next story of this next part of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.